Hi, my name is Anna O'Connor Morin, and I'm the school administrator of UCP Bales, which is an elementary charter school where we are also open year-round serving students through our summer camp programs. This summer we'll be piloting a summer reading camp utilizing two very specific curriculums to hone in on reading deficits of children. I have a flyer and information that I'd love to share with you, and you can contact our school for more details. 407-852-3300 is our school phone number. And the reading curriculums that we'll be utilizing are LIPS and Wilson. Both very research-based reading programs to hone in on student deficits through our summer reading camp. We look forward to any opportunities to collaborate with you. The start date for these reading camps for our students is June 10th. So please contact us again, 407-852-3300, extension 1000 for more details. Thanks.